Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Yessie, aka your bestie. That's right, you know it. Y'all, love that for me. Um, excuse, excuse me. You know what? I'm not even gonna cut any of that out. I'm just being real with y'all. You get it how I give it to you. Um, no, but today we're reacting to Jack Harlow Chicken Shop Day. I've never watched one of these, so I don't really quite know what to expect from the chicken shop date, but we're gonna get straight to it. If you haven't already, subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop. But yeah, it's Jack Harlow. You know, the girls love Jack Harlow. Jack Harlow is cool, if you ask me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to see what he on here talking about. I have seen the clip, I think, like somewhere on Twitter. When she asked him a question, he was like, but I haven't seen the whole thing, so we gonna watch it together because you know we family. So let's go ahead and do the It's Tuesday, ain't it? He was like, "What the fuck?" Oh, that's cute. Crikey. Oh shit. Wrong. I'm sorry. Wrong continent. Continent. That was ignorant. Morley's Chicken Shop. Brick Lane. E1 6RF. I don't know what that means. Petty Petty and fried chicken, burgers, barbecue ribs, and wings. Morley's. It tastes better. Okay, yeah. Slush. Okay. Looks like a cheeky little sport. Yeah. In it. Black. Oh, so it's like a date day. He did not. He did not have to do that to that lady. Just what's my type? Sips tea. Okay, come on, El Pollo Loco. It's giving very much El Pollo Loco right here. Very much. Not quite. Kinda. It's giving. What's the other one over here on this side of the earth? Pollo Tropical. Pollo Tropical. It's giving. It's giving. It's not quite El Pollo Loco, but it's Pollo Tropical. And I don't know if they're sister stores or what, but it's Pollo Tropical giving. Okay. That's the clip I saw. It was like, what kind of question is that? Didn't I have to read the script? Like, didn't I have to, not the script, but like the contract? Where did this show come from? Wait, did she say Virgos? Oh, four girls. I'm stupid. I know my accent is terrible.
Lucasoid.
The orange drink.
The Lucasoid.
Lucasade.
It's real quiet in there.
Like stuff like that.
No ambiance, music, or
Instead
nothing.
of really roll or being roller.
Yeah.
Form them.
So do a whole sentence.
I know my chair squeak. Shut up. Shut up. Don't say nothing about my damn chair squeak. Don't say nothing.
Oh, no.
How was the week?
Quiet noise.
Alright.
Yeah, alright. The girls on TikTok be going crazy over Jack. They be going crazy over little curly head Jack. Chat up.
Is that it?
Undefeated.
Why?
You know what else is undefeated? Jack.
You're shaking.
Am I?
Yeah.
Don't start this shit again.
Mm.
I heard. That's why I came in here a little bit reserved.
We're good friends.
Trying to keep it that way.
Cool. I love H.
No, he loves you. He told me all about you.
Really? What did he say?
Wow, shit.
No, he didn't. That's what he said.
I be seeing him under your pictures too.
Oh, yeah. He's basically.
Spending time with somebody else and I get to wishing that she was you. Any girl can be beautiful, but not any girl can just be in tune. And you so in tune and you understand me. I make you laugh and you say to me that you can't stand me. You soul food and you eye candy. I want to meet you in Miami and I want you to meet my family.
Okay, well, I'll check my schedule and see if I can. But I probably can. What, like, is the most romantic thing you've done for someone?
Want them on a plane ticket?
Was it private jet?
No.
Economy.
58C.
50 AC, that is by the bathroom. Do they even have? Do they even have 50? Do they even have 58 rows on a plane? Like, that must have been Spirit, okay? That means they were in the bathroom. If they were 58C, they were in the bathroom. They was hanging off the back of the plane. They was hanging on the tail of the plane if they was in seat 58C. They the ones that had to put the oil in the plane to get it to go off the runway. 58C, it take 2 hours to get to that seat.
Have you reached peak cuteness yet?
You are funny.
I know.
I think I got like 4 years to eat.
4 years, okay.
And then it.
Did you have braces as a child? I didn't know.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know they did those over here.
How many children do you want?
Many.
Many?
All girls.
Really?
I want 8 daughters.
Love that for him.
And where would you live? Would you live in a big house with them?
We
Or you live in London?
Flat on
Yes.
Oxford Street. 8 daughters.
we live in London.
Would be like rapping around town. Still.
Wrapping around town.
Would you ever move to London for a girl?
For a girl?
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Would.
Can you cook?
No.
Ooh.
Not to worry. Can you?
No.
Not to worry.
I need to pee.
By all means. Don't let me stop you.
I'm just gonna. Well, I'm gonna wait.
Is that your outro? You about to get up and go take a bit of piss?
Take a bit of piss.
What?
Anything else?
What the hell was that? What the hell was that?
Dogs?
That was something. That was something. You know what? We're gonna watch. I saw that there's a KSI one. We're gonna watch that one next. So that's gonna be a different video though. So like this video, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, and if it ain't before this video, it's gonna be after this video. Okay. So like, if y'all want to see the KSI one with me, your girl Yessie, also your bestie. Make sure you subscribe so you can see it when it come up. You know what I'm saying? Here you talking about, you talking about. Anyway, love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new, turn on those post notifications if you want, and let me know what else y'all want me to react to. I'm on socials down below in the description bar already. I got them thinged up, so I don't even gotta type them in each video. I just upload the video. It's there. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bing, bing. I don't know what I'm saying. It's the crack. Love y'all. Bye.